Hello, my lovely students. I hope you all are fine. Today, I'm going to start new exercise of chapter number 12, Algebraic Expression. The exercise is 12.4. We know all the concept regarding that, so we will start directly exercise. Question number 1 is observe the patterns of digits made from the segments of equal length. You will find such segments digit on the display of electronic watches or calculators. You can see here various numbers are written here like 6, 4, 8. Yes, so where you see this kind of formation of numbers, they have written here in electronic watches. Let's see, these are the example of electronic watches. Here you can see the numbers in that way, as the numbers are written here. Now they are asking something regarding the question here. If the number of digits formed is taken to be n, means here you can see only one 6 is here, then 6 and 6, two sixes, 6, 6, 6, 3 6. So in this way they are saying if n number of sixes are there, n number means many numbers, okay, we don't know exactly, n can carry any value. If the number of digits formed is taken to be n, the number of segment required to form n digit is given by the algebraic expression on the right of each pattern. On right hand side, how much number of segments will be required, that is given in the right hand side. What does it mean by segment here? If I am making 6, so this is one segment, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, in class 6th, you have made such patterns with the help of matchstick. So similarly here, we are just replacing matchstick with segments. Now come to the point. If you make 1 6, okay, this is 1 6, then this 6 is already made here. This 6 is already made. Now how much more segments are required? You can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, then to make each new segment we require 5. Each new 6 we require 5 new segments. How? Because here you can see this was already made 6, this was already made 6. Now count how much more segments will be required. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for each new 6 we require 5 more segments. Yes, so the equation is given already, that's 5n. 5 means for new we require 5 segment. If we are making n number of 6s, so we will require 5n. Then why this is plus 1? Here you can see, if I am making this 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then this one, this line, this segment I am getting already by the previous one. Let me just make it separately. 1 6 is this. Yes, and if I make another 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one segment is required here also, but I don't need it because it is already there. So for this I am just adding 1 to it. That's why we got the equation 5n plus 1. Similarly, for other terms also you can see here, if it would not be given, then we had to make that expression ourselves, but it has made very easy to answer because it is already given here. Now for 4, okay, this is 4. Now if 1 4 is already present, so how many more segments we need? 1 2 3. Yes, so the pattern will be 3n. Then what should be added to it? How much segments it is getting free? Just look at here, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now for new one, 1 is already there, 2 3 4. So I have made 3 extra and 1 was already there, जो कि हमें पहले वाले से मिला है. So we have to add 1 to it. That's why we have got here 3n plus 1. I hope you are understanding how this expression is obtained. Now come to this one, 5n plus 2. See, it is already 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't focus on the first one. We have to focus on second one. Okay. Now see, let me just make one 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now if I want to make one more 8, so one this is already there. 1, 2, so this is already there. Okay, how much new I have to make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have to make 5 new segments. That's why it is 5n. Then why plus 2? Because if it was 8, so how many segments I am getting from the first one? To make upper box, upper circle, one is already there, this one is already there, and the downward, this one is already there. I don't need to make these two segment again. ये मुझे पहले वाले से ही मिल जा रहे हैं. That's why I am adding 2 here and I have got this equation. Clear? So this was already given in the book actually. I am just explaining to make it clear how these expressions come. Otherwise you will be confused कि इसमें 5n plus 2 कैसे हुआ, इसमें ये कैसे हुआ और इसमें ये कैसे हुआ. ठीक है. Now come to the point. What they are asking. If the number of digits formed is taken to be n, the number of segments required to form n digit is given by the algebraic expression appearing on the right side of each of pattern. Okay, now what they are asking,